Hello everyone, welcome to Rork App. So what exactly is this tool? It's an AI-powered bytecoding tool. For those unfamiliar, bytecoding is programming using natural language without needing coding skills or understanding programming languages. I find Rork App interesting because it's specifically designed for creating mobile apps. Sure, other bytecoding tools can make mobile apps too, but they're usually more general purpose. They tend to cover a bit of everything. Rork App, however, focuses solely on mobile app development. Alright, let's go ahead and try out this tool. Here we have various examples to choose from. We're creating an app, so let's get started with that. Let me think about it carefully. Alright, let's paste the prompt here. So I told it, design a Duolingo-like mobile app focused on teaching AI concepts in a simple, fun way. The app should include levels and modules, okay? And a main character. You know Duolingo has that bird? Here, let's make a robot named Aibo. Each lesson should be 5 minutes with a coin system and streaks to motivate users. Monetization through ads, optional videos for more coins, and so on, right? Let's hit send. It's asking us to start, so let's go. We're already in, let's hit send and see what comes up. They're also letting us test it on mobile, huh? Okay, we're in Rork and, well, it's ready to test, but it shows 3 errors found. I wonder if we can just dismiss. Let's see if I can get rid of these issues. If not, we'll send it to AI and see if it can fix it. But I should show you what I found, right? If AI can't make an error-free app, we must show it. At least I've been able to identify the problems. It's been almost 15 minutes creating the app. Look at all this. I'm sure it's done a lot, but I'd like to see it. We're back after a few more minutes. More errors. We need to send them to the guide. Let's continue. Alright, this is the app it made for me, okay? I've hit out a loop with this error, honestly. It's happened twice now. Sent it twice, it's still not fixed. This is the app it made, okay? This is the mobile view. There aren't any other views. Let's see, lessons are here, profile sections here, not on the right. Odd. As you can see, I think this is supposed to be the robot, maybe. Well, this doesn't look great, and the cut seems a bit off. There's the store section, which, well, the store looks pretty good, right? Compared to the other sections. And the home section, okay? Where I click continue. What's AI? Oh, and there's a test. Well, not bad, huh? What I don't get is why it's already corrected when I hit next question. Let's see, what's AI? Explanation, next question, and it's already marked. Well, those are minor errors. Not bad, eh? Next question, already marked. Wow, well, there are some errors, but it's not too bad overall. It's true that, oh, this is the robot, but it's blue, so you can't see it. Oh my goodness, well, these are very basic errors, huh? Alright, I'll give my opinion on Rork. After using this tool, I asked for an app for AI training, like Duolingo, you know? That sort of thing. The app it made is okay with some issues. I asked for a robot icon, but it's the same color as the background, so you can't see it. It's this thing here, which I don't get why it did that. It added a progress bar and coins, which is good. The streak seems off, showing 1 despite doing lessons. It auto-generated lessons, which is fine. But there's a bug where I select an answer, hit next, and it's pre-answered for some reason. So that's a problem. On the other hand, this error has occurred twice now. I've sent it twice and it couldn't be corrected. And this is my review, okay? The visualizer sometimes looks off, like here in profile where the robot isn't visible and AI Explorer level 1 lacks space. It seems to have an achievement system. Well, this isn't bad. I mean, without doubt, it's done what I asked, right? The problem is that it might have made a couple of errors, but look at all the work it saves us, huh? This is all first time use, and this error, I'm sure it's just a specific character issue, probably trivial. Without a doubt, I think it's a good tool, okay? I've only mentioned the negatives, but everything else it got right. And honestly, I even asked it to make me a robot figure, and it did. Though not perfectly placed and without proper spacing. It actually made me a little robot figure, you know? Surprisingly, it should have been a different color. When I asked for it, I thought, no way it'll do this, right? So anyway, in the upgrade section, we can see the pricing breakdown where for 20 bucks, we got 100 messages per month. I managed to create this whole app with just, I think 4 or 5, maybe 4. So it's super cost effective because getting a full app or at least an app template for $20 is a great deal, don't you think? 50 for 250 messages, 100 for 500, and 200 for 1,000, okay? I think that's really good pricing. Hey, I'll say it again. You might say no, but there are some errors, some mistakes. Yes, but we have to admit that what it's done very, very well. Even the robot blinks. It's just, you see, I mean, what it's done really well, honestly. It convinces me as an app, okay? It seems like an app that would take forever to program manually. So, that's my review. Hope you enjoyed it and see you in future videos.